Carpio.
Nice to see you all today. How was this fine evening, morning, wherever you are? Well, you see, this is a comedy show. If you don't know what comedy is, it's cheap entertainment. And what I mean by cheap is the C for comedy. The O for authenticity. The M for modesty. Well, not very modest because obviously I'm on your television screen. I'm going to tell you a secret. I get paid for making you laugh. Go ahead, America. Laugh. Oh, there it is. You just made me get paid. Thank you. Oh, gosh. I love America. There's everything you got in America. You got your American food. Grease. You got your Chinese food. Rice. You got your Japanese food. Rice. You know, you got everything here. You got American Pie, a movie, and pie. You got... What else do you got here? Oh, you got top models. Hey, hey, make weird faces. Look mad. That's all I'm going to say. If you're going to be on America's Top Model, be mad. Urgh. Urgh. Come on, everybody. Sports Illustrated. Come on, bikini model with me. Sorry. Just make the world blow up. With your aggravation, like you could see the, the body, but in the face it's all. Fight at the camera. Be mad. And the Jersey Shore, that's another TV show. I can imitate one right now. Hey, we're from the Jersey Shore. You see, we get paid for going to parties and act like we work in a t-shirt store. And we also get to try out these fake accents. And we're really intelligent, but this voice sticks on you because you have to practice it all the time. And our hair, I have bumps in it to start a trend and whatever. We don't even do that. We just don't know how to do our hair. After not washing your hair from the longest time, all that hot tub grease getting up in your hair. That's why we have them bumps. You know how all you other girls tease your hair and everything? No, we don't have to. We just soak in the hot tub for about an hour, get our fake tan on. We don't even have to go to the beach, girl. Just get in that little Cyclone, whatever it's called, because, I open pistachios in that. Open pistachios in that, just like the commercial, baby, and I got paid for that. For just opening a pistachio. Girl, I don't even have to do anything, basically. All I have to do is act like I'm having a midlife crisis, whatever, We're probably, crawling with diseases because we go to all these parties, hook up with different people. We don't even know who we hooked up. We wake up in the morning, we're like, who are you? And they're like, hey, you're like, oh, sorry, gotta go, You could leave now. And then the next night you see them again, oh, awkward. I'm just gonna leave to somebody else now. People, they be crazy watching that show. T-shirt time! Gosh. There's a lot of crazy things in America, but we love it. Don't we? Yeah. Salute. Gosh. But a lot of bad things happen in America. 9/11, 11/12, 12/10. Alphabets. And those little kindergarten songs, A, B, C, D, don't they just get stuck in your head? That's what they want. That's what they want, America. Why do you think we learned the ABCs? Obviously, there was no reason. Do you get tested on that for the SATs? No. Is that on your pop quiz? No. It's just in the head somewhere. I don't know why. And you know what? We also had dark ages. where they ate turkey legs with their hands. Yeah, I know, crazy. You know, they ate everything with their hands. They didn't even have utensils or forks. Well, who needs forks when you can eat with these babies? In fact, I'm going to try and eat with my feet. Because, you know, it's kind of like eating with your feet because you never know where your hands have been, but you always know where your feet have been. Everywhere. It's just like when you're drinking your little juice boxes and everything, and then you think back, what were they squashing the juice in? Their feet! In a big bucket full of wood. Oh, hey, Mom!
I was like,
I'm doing the comedy show. Come on, special guest visitor, Mom! Come on, clap for my mother! Okay, sorry, hold the applause, it's just Mom. So, Mom, you want to do an interview?
no, that's some other time.
So, how many years have you been with me? Oh, right, my whole life, 13 years, okay? And some 1 month. You know, I don't like to keep track. It's just going to be another day tomorrow, another day tomorrow.
Hello.
You know, and it's going to eventually turn into a week, a month, who knows. Anyways, we're going to look back on this and laugh.
Yes, we will. We will.
Okay? No, don't leave.
Come on,
You know,
let's finish it up.
She's been with me for 13 years. Well, that's our show tonight, Barbie and Ken away. Hey! Goodbye, everyone. Good night.